Weathered Barnwood. So I bought 9 boxes, 909 square feet. I got about that size of a ceiling. I want to show you the process I've gone through and some of the results, so you can look to see if you would be interested in making the same purchase or not. You can use it on walls, ceilings, wherever you like. Let your imagination go wild. So we're in the basement and we decided we want a rustic wood appearance to our ceiling. So this is what we're doing here. I'm also going to show you my process for installing it so you can learn how to do it quickly. Even the unwrapping part becomes a process. I grab the plastic, widen my fingers so I can go around like this and unwrap it quickly. I suppose you could use a knife to do that too, but this is the way I do it. Next, I separate the wood. What I found is they have so the top ones seem to be, a lot of times are blank, the bottom ones aren't. So what I will do is I'll go top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. Try and alternate my wood so I've already got it set up ready to go. Next thing I do is I check my wood. Some could be warped. If they are, then I set them here. These are going to be for cutting into shorter pieces where I'm going to need them on the ends. So let's check. Not bad. Oh, a little bit. A little bit of a space in the middle. So then what I want to do with this board, this one's pretty good. This one's got a little space in the middle, is I want to point this towards that way. So I want to install it this way. So I'm doing like a stepping pattern you see here, right? So I want to figure out next, where's the best place to place the ladder? So my next board is there. So for me personally, I know that I want my ladder just to the left of that second beam. That's for me. That way, every time I come up to set up, I move the ladder once, it's in position, and we're ready to go. What's next? For me, the next thing is safety. I want to protect my eyes. You're going to be having dust and stuff like that coming out. Plus, you want to protect your eyes. I'm using a Milwaukee nailer here. So they recommend some type of eye protection that covers completely around your eyes, not just your glasses. So I've got my eye protection on. So the next step is, the other thing is I want to have one set of staples here. That way if I run out of staples while I'm on the ladder, I can easily replace them without getting up and down to save some time. We get on the ladder. When we were finished, we turned it off. We took the battery out for safety reasons. So put the battery in, turn it on. We already know how we want this one positioned. We butt it against this one. We make sure that we can have contact here. Move the ladder. Make sure we're butting there. Move the ladder. When you're dealing with the amount of wood that I'm dealing with here, over 900 square feet for my ceiling, anything you could do to speed up the process helps. So one of the things I found with this plastic wrap to make it unwrap more quickly, the one time it fails.